Here's the video we've all been waiting for. Let's talk tariffs, specifically the ripple effects they have on inflation and your plant floor. We've seen duties and tariffs rise across the board, especially in manufacturing sectors like steel, semiconductor, and food processing. But what's the difference? Well, in short, duties are more static, long standing taxes on imports. Tariffs are often reactive. Think geopolitical tools that can change quickly and hit your margins overnight. Well, either way, the result is the same: higher input costs. When raw materials cost more, inflation climbs, and operations feel the squeeze. Here's the real world impact. Manufacturers are left asking, where can we find savings when our raw materials just got 15% more expensive overnight? You can't control tariff policy, but you can control your labor. Labor is often your largest controllable cost, yet many organizations are still using static, outdated shift rosters that don't adapt to changing demand. Now more than ever, we're seeing leading manufacturers adopt dynamic scheduling to offset volatility, matching labor to production needs in real time, reducing overtime and idle shifts, avoiding compliance risks that can bring even more exposure. So, what do tariffs and inflation have to do with scheduling? Well, absolutely everything. When input costs rise, the fastest path to profitability isn't squeezing suppliers or raising prices, it's optimizing what you already have, your workforce. Smart scheduling doesn't just keep lines running, it helps you stay competitive even when the global forces are working against your bottom line. At Indeavor, we help manufacturers turn labor into a strategic lever, not a fixed cost.